So, hello and welcome to Maha-AI Hub, which is the AI inference marketplace. So, let's begin with our vision. So, these days, the distribution of AI solutions to users require additional efforts like inference deployment, web app building, configuring REST APIs, handling payments, and infrastructure. So, we thought, what if we make a platform that could automatically generate REST APIs, web apps, plugins, etc. for the end users, and the end users can install them to interact with the AI inference that are developed. So what if AIML researchers never have to manage billing, payment, infrastructure, scaling, etc. by themselves? So now let's see. And the main vision is that these days the Telegram mini apps are very the niche market where the users can just access the decentralized applications on the mobile itself. So we thought of an opportunity where we could build something cool on Telegram mini apps by using Capex and the Rebel. So let's see what our platform offers. So our platform offers the decentralized distribution of AI agents or models or REST APIs or web apps. We have also AI-enabled services like voice-activated AI interface and AI-powered chatbot that will seamlessly guide user throughout our applications, and the user can navigate through our application by using its voice itself and the in the Telegram mini app itself. Now let's see the demo. So this is the dashboard of our application, which gives us the idea what we are. So now let's see uh, what how the providers or the sellers can sell the service and the buyers can buy them. So first of all, we'll just create a provider's service. So for that, we'll click on this and create a new provider. So for that, we'll just use this. We'll just put the provider's name as Maha, uh, and just connect our wallet so that we can make the payments to this application. So now, as you can see, we are connected to MetaMask. We just connect an account. This is the account which we will connect to our application and just sign up. So once we are signed up, we'll just log in with this mail. Let's wait for the login. Yeah, as you can see, this is the dashboard of our page. As you can see, the users can just access the daily recent activities that he has created, and this is the dashboard where he can easily get the daily updates. So moving on further, suppose the user wants to list his AI applications. So let's list the AI application. So before listing our application, I'll just give a brief introduction how and what we exactly do. So basically, the registers can register them based on the decentralized or the public key, and that we add them as a bank details on our platform. Once the model AI model inference is ready and deployed on the suppose for this case we will consider as Peron, they can provide an inference endpoint. Our platform will auto generate web apps, plugins, and APIs that can interact with the inference endpoints. They can choose to release different types of apps. They can set their preferred pricing also. So this is what our main goal is, to provide the AI endpoints or the all plugins to the users so that they can have them integrated in their applications. So now let's see the listing of our applications. For now, I'll just give the name of my model. Suppose it's like powered chatbot. What it does exactly? So it's a chatbot. Then the status of the AI model. Does everyone can use it in the production level applications, or just they can use it on the as a testing API? So I'll just put it as production ready, and then I'll put the description of AI model exactly what it does. So this is an AI powered chatbot which can assist users, or users can use this web app for their needs. And now we'll provide the URL for their deployment, or the exactly what our platform handles. We'll provide just the URL for the web app. So this is the URL which we will be listing, and the price of the URL will be $8. So we'll just create the order and wait for creation. So the application has been created. Now let's see. the other applications or the other features what our application offers. So this in this feature, the users can also provide binary files. So before moving to that, I'll just show one more feature, which is our voice assistant feature. Instead of doing it manually, we could just use voice assistant for navigating us to the desired pages. Asking the question, we'll just ask a question to the chatbot, which is this feature which our application provides using CapEx. They have deployed an AI model on AWS, which will eventually give us an API endpoint that we have integrated on the application. So let's just see and ask few questions to our voice assistant's AI. Hey, what can you do for us?
I'm here to help you navigate our decentralized AI marketplace, where developers list their AI services and customers can buy and use them. Let me know if you have any questions about how it works.
So as you guys see, the AI application or the voice assistant AI has given reply to us. There, we'll ask him one more question, which would be, what does the application do? So let's ask it. What does this application exactly do? Give me a brief idea. What is this Maha-AI Hub?
Our AI marketplace lets developers list their AI services, which customers can buy and use directly. It's a fully decentralized platform for seamless transactions.
You can see the AI voice assistant has replied to us. And going further, we can ask one more question to our AI voice service, which is, can you redirect me to AI plugin page? Now let's see if it redirects us to the AI plugin page. Hey, can you redirect me to AI plugin page?
Sure, I can navigate to the AI plugin page.
Successfully navigated us to AI plugin page, and we could ask few more features like, can you navigate me to AI binaries page or something like that. That depends on the user. The chat voice assistant can help you throughout the application. So now we'll just list some of the APIs and let's see sell them to the on the marketplace. So now for testing, I'll be listing out chatbot voice model, and the description of the API would be, this model is helpful for this model is helpful for uh, chatting applications and also for QA, which is question and answering. So we'll list the AI API URL for that, and we'll list the price of the API for per call, or how much the user would like to sell it for. So in this case, we'll list it for the $10 and create an order. So let's wait for some time, and the order is created. We have signed this transaction, and you can see the order has been created. So now let's move on to the AI all listing page, where users can see all of his listings. So as you can see, the AI powered chatbot has been listed for $8, and the QA model is listed for $10. So let's see the marketplace where the users can exactly buy the listings. So we'll log out from here, and we'll create a new buyer's account where user could just buy it from us. So the user could just put his name, which would be uh, Speron in this case. Let's see Speron. So let's for that case we'll put the name, which would be Capex in this case, and we'll put the email ID and enter some password. And we have to just and we can just connect this wallet address here and just sign up. As we have signed in, we have to just log in into our account and see the listings. So for that, we'll just sign in with this ID and put our password. So as you can see, we have logged in into our application, and let's see, this is the dashboard where which shows the all the reviews about the recent buyings of the platform and the services that would be ending of the particular user or the seller. So now let's see the marketplace. So this is the marketplace. As you can see, the AI powered chatbot has been listed by the seller, and the name of the seller. This was the described by me the further. As you can see, this was listed by Maha account, and the price for it was listed as $8, as you can see. And the API is also has been listed here, which you can see, and it is priced at $10. So now, suppose user want to buy some APIs, he could just click on buy now, and he has few options. We can just make payment on behalf of him, or user could pay to any of the address which has been listed by the user. So now let's see, we have to pay $10 to the user. Now we'll just pay to his address. So we'll just pay the user by sending him the money that he requires. So we'll just put him the order, and we'll confirm the transaction of uh, the API. So this is the gas fee we will require, and we'll just make the payment and confirm the transaction. As you can see, the transaction has been confirmed. So now we can just click on the paid button, and this paid button would send an email notification to the user, and the user could just confirm it, just like the Binance P2P trade, and the user can just confirm it, and the payment would be successful. uh, let's just click the paid, and you can see the application for the payment has been gone, and the user has just clicked verified. So now we can just test this API, which has been listed by the seller. So now let's put the API endpoint in the postman and check it, how exactly uh, we would love to test it. So now I'll just put it here and put the API that we have just got, and list a question: how can I sell my model? And just test it by sending a query. As you can see, we have received the response from the API. This is the response that we have got from the API. This was all about our application, which is decentralized AI marketplace on Telegram mini apps.